A safety beveler is one of my favorite shoemaking tools. It's actually a skiving knife and is used to slightly shave down the leather so that you can thin it out a little bit without taking too much off. Now, as you can see, it's got a curve here, and this stops us from going too deep when we're shaving the top layer off the leather. This design is one of the most popular that you'll see, but it's not the best if you're left-handed. There are alternatives though. This knife here does exactly the same thing, but works so much better if you're left-handed, and it uses the exact same blade. Let me show you how it works. One of the main reasons you might want to skive your leather is to reduce bulk when you're making shoes. Usually you would do this if you were folding a top line or layering one piece of leather on top of the other. The safety beveler can also be used to flatten out the base of your shoe once you've put your pleats in. You can also use it to take a bit of the excess weight out of cork if you've used that as a base filler, and anywhere really that you want to reduce bulk.